Hey everybody, Rob Orgel with Silencer Syndicate, and I'm going to give everyone a quick moment to introduce themselves. I've got a great audience of wonderful people in a small space. So I'll start from my right and move to the left.
I am Sean from B&T.
Who's running the US side of B&T and doing really cool stuff.
Yeah, I own the US side of the company, partnered with Carl.
Carl, the original.
B&T Switzerland, I'm also there a couple of years, still love it.
Carl, who's doing amazing things in the silencer space, which we're going to talk more about once I give Chris an opportunity to introduce himself.
I'm Chris Mudgett, and I work on the U.S. side in marketing.
So without sounding like I'm in love with B&T, because I kind of am, I think a lot of silencers are out there in this market. A lot of stuff is happening in this space, and it's hard to know who's good and who's bad. And through education and testing, we've learned a lot in the last 6-9 months. You all have joined us in that journey, and I appreciate your likes, comments, subscribes. That stuff has gone a really long way, and in fact, it got us to SHOT Show.
Hey everybody, quick interruption from your video. I'm sorry, I'll keep it short. First, this video content was made possible by our supporters. These awards getting to SHOT Show took a lot, and we wanted to thank our 3 major supporters. The first was East Valley Tactical. Eric has gone a long way, and he's gone way out of his way to help support our channel. We've bounced ideas back and forth and worked very closely to come up with who deserves these awards based on both of our experiences. Next, House of Pain Ammunition, or HOP Ammo, veteran-owned company, and we've burned through 17,000 rounds of 5.56 from my personal collection. House of Pain is going to start offsetting that ammunition for us and help support the content we're creating. Next is Rifle Speed. As you know, Rifle Speed has been working alongside us for quite some time, and they've been the unlocking key to our back pressure tests. They've gone way out of their way and given us lots of support to create this content, travel to SHOT Show, and present these awards. All right, guys, back to your video.
And sitting down with Carl, we have this award that we created, and it is the best silencer of 2024, and that is here. This is like a murder weapon. If you hit somebody with this little dot, this thing weighs a ton, and that is the Print-X RBS.
Great, thank you very much.
Best silencer.
Thank you guys.
Absolutely, the best silencer of the year. And now, why it's the best silencer of the year? It's the ingenuity that B&T has brought to the table. It's we want lightweight. We want low. Oh, by the way, it's the TI titanium. We want lightweight. We want low back pressure. We want good sound reduction. And this silencer is the first to come to that space and just blow the doors off of everyone else in 2024 for the best overall suppressor.
So why did we choose the Print-X RBS 5.56 Ti? Gosh, that's a mouthful. We chose it because it is super light. I believe the suppressor weighs like 6 ounces by itself. Of course, we like to put a hub on it so that ups the weight just a little bit, but it is crazy lightweight, and it is very low back pressure. We have abused the heck out of the suppressor, and we've seen its evolution from when it was that slick design, which looks more like this guy, and then it moved into the silencer shot Print-X, and then it moved into the Print-X RBS. So we've been along for quite a ride, and the destination is very impressive. It sounds great. It's got a deep pitch to it. It's hub friendly. It's super light. It's full auto rated. Well, I shouldn't say that out loud, but man, we've beat the heck out of titanium on belt fed machine guns, and we're very impressed by what they can take. Is this belt fed rated? If you want to see a video about that, put a comment down there and we'll see if we make a video for that. All right, so you know there was some close contenders. Now, of course, you know I like the Silencer Co. Velos, and the Velos 5.56 full size, that silencer sounds really good, not just because of how quiet it is, but because how deep the tone is. While this has a deep tone, I believe that one has a deeper tone, but it weighs too much. This one weighs a lot less than what they did over there. So this one took the cake by comparison. There were a few others that hung kind of close, like the Vent and a couple other guys, but in the end, this guy took it, and I want to say it took it by not a little bit. All right, guys, back to your video.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Quite a feat.
Really cool.
Super impressed with the suppressor.
Thank you very much.
And now to move into the Print-X H, which is the newest iteration of that, which was not out yet, because otherwise it might have been the one that got the award, because yet again, another level of ingenuity. Now there's a lot more that went to the testing, and there's a lot more of behind the scenes that took place before this video. And if you want to know more about why B&T has such a great path, why they've done so good, you're going to have to watch our long form video where we break down the individual barriers they broke through to make this can such a success, as well as the Print-X H. And I have to say, probably like one of my favorite things about that, no maintenance. to have a low back pressure, quiet, lightweight suppressor, the choose your own adventure, you get to have it all. This is definitely the best suppressor of 2024. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
All right, guys, if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We really appreciate what you guys have done for us so far. Keep up that work for us, and we'll see you in the comments.